Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this I'm going to show you how you can actually buy the iQOO 7 device for about 25,990 during this Amazon Great Indian Republic Day sale. Yes friends, finally the Great Republic Day sale has been unlocked for the Prime users only at this moment, and you can actually get the iQOO 7 device for about 25,990, which is 8GB and 256GB variant. So try to listen again friends, 256GB variant, not 128GB. I'll try to explain you why I did mention 256GB as well, because right now during this sale you can actually get both variants for same price. I'll try to show you how I divided everything, all the offers and coupons. And please friends, make sure to use my links in description or maybe in the comments. I'll try to pin exactly for the iQOO 7 device, and do support me by using my universal link to buy any product from the Amazon during this Great Republic Day sale. So first let me show you the basic price what's happening here. So for every variant in the iQOO 7 device you will be getting 3000 rupees coupon applied directly. Okay, 3000 rupees coupon. So don't get confused in that. So once the coupon is applied, then there is a bank offer which is going on. If you have the bank offer, you can actually watch this video without skipping. If you don't have the SBI bank offer, then definitely you will be getting only 3000 rupees discount, and you can use the exchange offer to get additional discount as well in case if possible. But if you have the SBI bank offer, then you'll be getting 3000 rupees additional discount. So total 6000 will be decreased on the top of the price of iQOO 7 device. Yes friends, 6000 rupees price will be decreasing. I'll try to explain you how you can actually get that low. So first, try to select the 8GB and 128GB variant, okay? And overall price 29,990, 3000 rupees coupon applied, now 26,990. When you try to click buy now, and if you try to enter the SBI credit card details, then you will be getting 1000 rupees discount only, because overall order is not going above 27,990. It's not going above 27,990. As you can see, the overall order is only 26,990. That's the reason you will be getting only 1000 rupees discount. If complete order is going above 27,990, then you will be getting 2000 plus 1000. So overall 3000 rupees discount you will be getting. So what I'm advising you guys, so please buy only 256GB storage model only. So when you select the 256GB and 8GB variant, try to select always 256GB variant, because overall price, the order price will increase. I mean this price, yes. Now it became 28,990. Now you can actually apply the 2000 rupees instant discount. So now you can get 3000 for same price. For 25,990 you are getting 128GB and 256GB. This is how you can actually buy the iQOO 7 device for a very less price at this moment, and 12GB RAM variant is available for about 27,990 rupees. Yes friends, exactly 27,990, because you will be getting 3000 plus 3000, 6000 rupees discount on the 12GB RAM variant as well. So for 25,990, 8GB, 256GB, and for 27,990, 12GB and 256GB. Always remember, try to keep overall final cart value always more than 27,990. That's the condition of this bank offer. Let me show you. As you can see, so you will get additional 2000 only if the order is above 27,990. If it is below that, you won't get this 2000 rupees instant discount. So if you try to select the 128GB variant, the overall cart value is coming less than this value. So always follow this kind of technique friends, and always choose only 256GB variant in case if you have the SBI card. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. I hope this video might be helpful for a lot of other users who are actually looking to buy this device. So that's the reason I thought of advising you guys to buy only 256GB model only, not 128GB model. So make sure you use my links in description friends to buy this iQOO 7 device if possible. Using my links, that will be really helpful. And meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until next time, more updates, and bye.